Hi guys, it's really bad in New York. The snowstorm is horrible. Right now, this is the airport in Canada, and I'm just showing people how it's being swept. The snow when it's really bad, and when it comes, they always sweep it every minute, every second. That to the extent that they have to clear the road so that people can also fly as well. But right now, flights are being delayed. Uh, Flights are being cancelled, and even some schools are going remote right now. It's really bad to the extent that when I was outside trying to get a bus, and I almost had frostbite, guys. Almost had a frostbite, guys. It was really, really bad. Honestly speaking, I was scared, though, honestly speaking. Anyways, I'm just showing this video to show people how they do the airport where there's a lot of snow to make sure that everywhere is clean and you can fly. Please share, subscribe, and see my next video. Bye. If I might add, it's -6 Celsius today in Canada. Wow, it's not a joke anywhere. Tarmac clothes could not even help me. I had my tarmac shoes, my tarmac clothes, everything was tarmac, but yet it didn't help. It's really bad, and I feel so sorry for those people in New York because the Times Square itself, most of the shops are closed, and it's really bad. The snow you saw, which was really much, they've cleared almost everything. They will do that all the way around, or everywhere until it's really safe to fly again. That the planes can land and the planes can also move. It's an experience though. I'll just watching. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video.